Hi, I'm Sudha Mathew, and I'm from Northern Virginia. I've been connected with Rita. I've known Rita Ricks for a long time. This Burn Vision retreat has been a life changer for me. I signed up for it. I did not know what to expect, but since I came here, uh, I've had more given to me, um, more that came for me, and than I even imagined. I've made connections with people I've not known before I came here. I've loved the energy that each of us bring to this group. I have enjoyed being here, and I'm actually looking forward to coming back.